Are you ready to make a mouth-watering and trendy recipe that's taken the internet by storm? Today, we're making baked feta pasta, a creamy and cheesy delight that will leave you craving for more. Start by placing 250 g, 9 ounces, of cherry tomatoes in a baking dish. Create a well in the center and add a block of feta cheese. Drizzle it all with a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle minced garlic, dried oregano, salt, and pepper over the tomatoes and feta cheese to enhance the flavors. Place the baking dish in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it bake for approximately 30 minutes, or until the feta cheese softens and the cherry tomatoes burst with flavor. While the feta and tomatoes are baking, cook 250 g, 9 ounces, of pasta according to the package instructions. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and set it aside. Remember to reserve a bit of the pasta water, it may come in handy later. Remove the baked feta and tomatoes from the oven. Transfer them to a large bowl. Using a fork, gently break the feta cheese, mixing it with the roasted tomatoes to create a creamy base. Add the cooked pasta to the bowl and give everything a good toss, ensuring that the pasta gets coated in the creamy feta and tomato mixture. If the dish looks a bit dry, add a splash of the reserved pasta water to create a luscious sauce. Finally, garnish the baked feta pasta with some fresh basil leaves for added freshness and aroma. Get ready to indulge in the creamy and cheesy delight of baked feta pasta. Enjoy!